Minasan, konnichiwa, this is the group 3, and for today's video, we're going to tackle about the lesson 6, Ja, hajimemasu. Tabemasu. Tabemasu. No mi masu. Nomimasu. Sumasu. Sumimasu. Mimasu. Mimasu. Kikimasu. Kikimasu. Yomimasu. Yomimasu. Kakimasu. Kakimasu. Kaimasu. Kaimasu. Torimasu. Torimasu. Shimasu. Shimasu. Aimasu. Aimasu. Gohan. Gohan. Asagohan. Asagohan. Asa means morning and gohan means morning meal. Asagohan. Hirugohan. Hirugohan. Bangohan. Bangohan. Pang. Pang. Tamago. Tamago. Niku. Niku.
Sakana. Sakana. Yasai. Yasai. Kudamono. Kudamono. Osake. Osake. Video. Video. Eiga. Eiga. Shidi. Shidi. Tegami. Tegami. Repoto. Repoto. Gyunyu. Gyunyu. Jusu. Jusu. Biru. Biru. Shashin. Shashin. Mise. Mise. Mizu. Mizu. Ocha. Ocha. Kucha. Kucha.
Resuturan. Resuturan. Niwa. Niwa. Shukudai. Shukudai. Tenisu. Tensu. Saka. Saka. Ohanami. Ohanami. Hana means flower. Mi or mimas is viewing. Nani. Nani. Ichone. Ichone. Chotto. Chotto. Itsumo. Itsumo. Doke. 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 Korekara. Korekara. I. I. It's usually say yes or hi. I. Idesne. Idesne. Wakarimashita. Wakarimashita. It usually combined with yes or hi or kore rishita. Nandeska? Nandeska? So, we were learn about previous lesson that it's also mean what is it because nan is what and deska is what is it. Jamashita. 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 Ja, it means well then, and mata is again or see you, and ashita is tomorrow. Jamata shita or jamatane.
Konnichiwa, mabuhay! I am Aaron Jan Mancera, and today we will discuss about the new Japanese grammar from the Minono Nihongo of
So this is the grammar pattern that we will study in this lesson. The first one was the particle N, O, verb. Ang O ay binibigkas na O sa hiragana. This indicates the object of the action or the receiver of the action. The verb is an action word. Ito ay yung mga words na nagbibigay ng more on action. The example, the sentence was, I drink water. The verb is drink and the object of the verb is water. First, water in hiragana, that's misu, followed by o in hiragana, and then drink in hiragana, nomimasu. The second example sentence was, if you want to ask, what do you plus verb. Example sentence, what do you shop? In this sentence, you can ask. The first is what in hiragana is nani, followed by o in hiragana, and then the verb shop in hiragana, that's mise. And don't forget the question mark in hiragana, that's ka. Nani o, mise, ka. That's all for N, O, verb. The next one is N, O, shimasu. The word shimasu means to do something or what, but it can also mean other things. The example are play sports. The sentence is play tennis. First is the noun, which is tennis. In hiragana, tennis, followed by o in hiragana, and then play. In hiragana is shimasu. Tennis o shimasu. And other meaning of shimasu is to hold meeting or event. For example, the sentence is hold a breakfast. Breakfast in hiragana was asagohan, followed by o in hiragana, and then the hold in hiragana means shimasu. Asagohan o shimasu. And lastly, shimasu means to do something. Example sentence, do right. Right in hiragana is kakimasu, and then followed by o in hiragana, and then shimasu. Kakimasu o shimasu. Alright, that's all for N o shimasu. The next one is nani o shimasu and ka. The first sentence example was, what did you do to the shop? We will start at the shop. In hiragana was mise, followed by what in hiragana, which is nani, then followed by o in hiragana, and the shimasita. The shimasita is the past tense of shimasu since the action is already done. And don't forget the question mark, which is ka, mise, nani o, shimasita, ka. The next example is, what will you do on Monday? First, the word Monday in hiragana getsuyobi, followed by wa, and then asking for Monday, which means nani, then o, and shimasu, getsuyobi, nani o, shimasu, ka. You've learned the word for what, which are nan or nani. So we use nan. Of when do we use nani? So nan is used before the words ta, da, group syllables. Example is nan desu ka? The word des is in the syllables, so we use nan. Another example is nanji desu ka, which means what time is it? Another example are what kind or what about. Nan no, because no is in the syllables. Other example are nan nohon desu ka, which means what kind of book is it? Nan is also used before counter suffix like how old are you or how many people, which means nansai. Example of it was how old is he, which means in hiragana kare wa nansai desu ka? Next is the word nani or what if you wanna say just what. For example, what? Just saying nani. Use the information of saying nani. Nani is also used before particle. For example, nani iro. Iro, which means color. You will see more about the lesson 6 and learn from it. But for the meantime, just memorize when to use nan and nani in a sentence.
Ohayo gozaimasu! I'm Christopher and let's talk about particle de. The particle de indicates where the action happens or happened. The pattern na ginagamit dito is noun, which is yung place, followed by particle de, and then verb. Pero kung yung verb may object, then object verb. Ito yung verb at or verb in. For example, I eat at the hotel. So, ang ating noun is yung hotel, hoteru, followed by particle de, and the verb is eat, tabimasu. Hoteru de tabimasu. For the next example, I bought candy at the store. So, unahin natin dito yung noun, which is yung store, mise, followed by particle de, ameo kaimashita. Ame, ito yung candy, followed by particle o, and the verb, bought, kaimashita. Mise de ameo kaimashita. So, the present term ng bought is kaimasu. And for our last example, I'll take photo in the house. House means kie, de, and the photo is shashin o torimasu. Ie de shashin no torimasu. For our next topic is how to invite someone to do something. Want your verb with me? So in Japanese, isho ni. Isho ni means with me and verb masen ka. For example, won't you go to the garden with me? So unahin natin dito yung with me. Isho ni. And to the garden, ni wa e. So gumamit tayo ng e to indicate where the direction of the action. So ito yung go. Then ikimasen ka. Isho ni niwae ikimasen ka. For the next example, won't you drink some juice with me? So isho ni jusu o nomimasen ka. Jusu is juice and followed by particle o, and then verb drink or won't you drink, nomimasen ka. Isho ni jusu o nomimasen ka. And for the last example, won't you eat breakfast with me? Isyu ni asagohan no tabemasen ka? And to our next grammar pattern, verb mashow or let's verb or let's do an action. Papalitan mo lang mas to mashow. Verb mashow. For example, I dance. Dance odorimasu. Let's dance odorimashow. And to our next example, I jump. Tobimasu. Let's jump. Tobimashow. So, papalitan lang natin yung mas to mashow. And for the last example, let's go to Tokyo. Tokyo e ikimashou. And to our last grammar pattern, which is the particle o. Ito daw yung katulad sa sinabi nung lesson 3, prefix o to show respect tulad ng country o kuni, alcohol o sake, cherry blossom viewing o hanami. Pero hindi daw lahat